Collision One can do whatever you need to have done.
They were the first place I considered for any kind of issues with my car.
Our goal is always to make your claim go as smooth as possible.
They really take away all the stress.
We have a full-service rental car program here at Collision One as well.
It's a great environment to go in and get my car looked at.
We do everything we can to make the process as quick and stress-free as possible.
I was actually happy to come see them when I had to come check in.
When you need a ride, just give us a call. Leave the rest to us.
The whole process was seamless and easy, and they were super friendly and nice.
Our repair process really takes the worry out of the picture.
I could not recommend a better place for your car or truck to go.
No one does it like Collision One.
You couldn't even tell that I'd been in an accident.
It's just like it never happened.
Collision One. Auto body like it never happened.